Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you.
Paragraph writing topic. Doctors.
But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Kindly show your support to this channel by subscribing to it. So, our topic for the day is on doctors. Doctors are the lifeblood of a country's economics and social fabric. They contribute to ensuring the safety of the country's residents and, as a result, to improving the quality of human resources. Doctors assist society overcome taboos and superstitions about diseases by improving the understanding of ordinary people about diseases. Doctors play a critical role in society's development. They are the community's lifeblood. Doctors who influence culture and save individuals who are sick and ailing are referred to as cultural shapers. Doctors strive tirelessly to save the lives of individuals suffering from life-threatening illnesses. They serve as role models for society. A doctor's role is to figure out what a person's ailment is and then prescribe medicines and therapies to treat it. Doctors are involved in a variety of departments of health. Some are expert in cardiac medicines, while others are expert in children's illnesses. As a result, the doctor's job is both varied and complicated. We are currently in the midst of an epidemic. Its consequences are so severe that the entire planet is under lockdown, both temporarily and indefinitely. All economic activity has slowed down to a halt and loved ones are separated from one another. The physicians are the only ones who are working full-time at this moment. Kindly show your support to this channel by subscribing to it. Doctors are in charge of one of society's most important aspects, healthcare. In these current times of growing health concern and rising healthcare costs, we must look up to good doctors who labor for mankind without expecting anything in return. In our nation, there are severe rules in place to protect physicians from doctor maltreatment. As we all know, there have been countless situations in recent years when a doctor has been mistreated by the patient's family as a result of patients passing away. Kindly show your support by subscribing to my channel. I'll be grateful for this. Doctors in our nation and numerous other jurisdictions are chosen through arduous and time-consuming selection processes. Exams are perplexing and difficult to pass. Because of the nature of the profession, which necessitates rigorous testing, the systems are complex. Doctors are entrusted with the responsibility of saving lives, therefore, it's crucial to know if they are trustworthy. In the field of research, a large number of doctors are required. They not only contribute to the development of a better and healthier country, but they also give essential medicines that can save lives. Doctors Without Borders is a non-profit organization that helps deliver free and low-cost health care to rural communities in many nations throughout the world. These doctors travel to remote parts of the globe where illnesses are prevalent and frequently fatal. They do extensive study and documentation to locate medicines and therapies for the same. They record uncommon cases and medical issues in order to find a long-term solution. Doctors are responsible for providing healthcare and coordinating services across the country. They are crucial in maintaining the Constitution's framework, which emphasizes fair treatment for all. Doctors are not allowed to refuse treatment based on patients' medical history. Doctors are in charge of a country where healthcare is vital. If the safety of citizens is not prioritized, the quality of human resources that a country seeks to develop will suffer. As a result, we may deduce that the doctor is capable of multitasking. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are currently living in the midst of an epidemic. Its consequences are so severe that the entire planet is under lockdown, both temporary and indefinitely. All economic activities have slowed down to a halt and loved ones are separated from one another. The physicians are only ones who are working full-time at this moment. As you know, the currently popular virus, which has infected almost 10 million individuals worldwide, is here to stay. Doctors and medical experts have devoted all of their efforts to discovering the perfect treatment and vaccine to cure the sicknesses that have swept the globe. The illnesses has been spreading at a steady and consistent rate. In the event of severe pandemic, doctors play an essential role that no other profession can fulfill. Doctors and nurses must also be on the front lines in the event of conflict. On the battlefield, there are nurses and medical personnel who are trained at military tactics and medical treatments. For these reasons, doctors are considered heroes all throughout the world. They get enough patients to cure crucial ailments with the help of years of training and experience. Doctors and other medical professionals are admired worldwide for their contribution to humanity. In many countries, doctor might be linked with a hospital. They can also practice privately under the supervision of government-issued license. The majority of clinics we visit are private. Public health clinics, on the other hand, charge less. So in 2020, when was Doctors' Day observed? Every year on July 1st, National Doctors' Day is observed. This day is dedicated to honoring the physicians and medical workers who work tirelessly to aid the sick and the sufferings. What expertise do doctors have? Yes, it is correct. Doctors have specialties that allow them to master one aspect of human body and know everything there is to know about it. Because the human body is so complicated, certain criteria were created. For these doctors, understanding the working of just one element is challenging, and it takes years of expertise and research. Describe the many sorts of physicians. Doctor comes in many varieties of departments. An oncologist is a doctor who specializes in the treatment of cancer. The cardiologist is a doctor that specializes in heart problems. There are a variety of different sorts of physicians. So you might be thinking, who assists doctors in doing procedures and treatments? So the answer to it is nurses and interiors assist doctors in performing treatments and operations. So respect your doctors. As you know, medicine cures diseases, but only doctors can cure patients. And this is a profession where knowledge, power and heart come all together. So bring happiness to our white shirt heroes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel to motivate me for making more videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.